Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can take a screenshot in OnePlus phone. So to begin with, the first and the most straightforward method to do that is by performing the 3-finger swipe downwards, like that. And as you can see, the screenshot gets taken. You can also, by using the gestures, take a partial screenshot when you do not want for the final product to include the whole screen, but rather some highlighted area or a certain spot of the screen. So let me just, for example, take a screenshot of this HardReset.Info header. So the procedure is somewhat the same, just touch and hold with the 3 fingers and swipe, and therefore select the zone that you would like to take the screenshot of. So that's how you make a partial screenshot. In order to make a scrolling or long screenshot, just take a regular one, and then over here at the preview window, go for the scroll option and scroll your screenshot, to the extent that you would like to capture whatever is that you are taking a screenshot of, and you'll get the scrolling screenshot this way. And there is also another way to make a screenshot by using the control panel shortcut. So once you are at the web page perhaps, or anywhere basically where you want to shoot a screenshot, just launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Expand the shortcuts menu and find the shortcut that will say screenshot. Then tap on it and the screenshot will be taken. If you tap at the arrow in front of a screenshot text, you will be provided with additional options. Let me quickly demonstrate that to you real quick. So as you can see in here, you can, instead of using gestures, you can just particularly tell the system what kind of screenshot you would like to take. A regular one, a scrolling screenshot, or a partial screenshot. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.